Hi, I'm in Downers Grove with
George Sabin.
And what did you bring tonight?
57 Chevy 210.
I've been after you. I saw the car.
Oh.
Okay, tell me about the car.
Yeah, it's a resto mod. Basically, it's the body and the interior basically stock. It's just that it's got 2010 updates, fuel injection, power steering, power disc brakes, air conditioning. It's got an updated stereo system in there, AM, FM, digital, cassette, and 8 CD in the trunk. It's got a drop suspension. The car handles and drives like a sports car.
Really?
And yeah, in 1957 they never handled as well as this ever. I've had them in the 57, and this here handles excellent.
How long have you had the car?
About 3 years now.
Okay. Yeah, and this is the color that came on the car.
Yeah, it's an original 57 color.
Okay, yeah, you were telling me that, and I didn't know that.
Yeah.
It's so pretty. And the original color is on the firewall,
Yeah,
you said.
that's original paint from 1957.
And it's called, what was it again?
A dusk pearl.
Okay. Yeah, it looks like that's Sterling Rose, and they called it later.
Yeah, later on GM called it another. They had different names for it.
Okay.
And the top would have been an Indo white, but now they painted it a burgundy to coordinate with the interior.
The way that paint with the chrome, it's just gorgeous. So show me the interior.
Yeah. Yeah, the interior is a burgundy naugahyde. It's a little expensive, more expensive than vinyl. It wears real well. It's got a 350 turbo motor in there with a Muncie 4-speed, tilt and wheel. The interior has been completely redone.
Oh, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous.
Yeah, the two color combinations, that's what attracted me to it, was the burgundy with the dusk pearl. I thought it was a real nice color combination.
And what size are you guys carrying?
The rear tires are 255/15, 255/70/15 tire.
Another American Racing. I'm taking the tally of how many American Racing we're running with. It's everybody's pick.
Yeah. And the trunk is finished as well.
The trunk is?
Yeah.
Let's see. The trunk's alright.
What's up, kid? When are you moving? I don't know. We might stay now.
See? Makes a nice well.
Nicely done. Let's see. You plan to make any changes to the car?
I've been making a few little changes during the wintertime. Just detailing it, cleaning it up, the existing. But it runs and drives very nice now, so I wouldn't want to make any changes to the performance of the drivetrain. But it handles real well. It's got all late model instrumentation in there.
Come on. No, she looks wonderful.